natural ways to enlarge your penis. That is what I want to share with you in this video. 3 best natural ways you can use to increase your manhood. But before I proceed on this video, I want to tell you that you are most welcome to this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and the natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. You will get notification to watch my video. Now, for those that want to increase their penis naturally, adopt these 3 things or these 3 habits. You will receive or you will get your penis being increased. This is a natural way. It is better than to take artificial drug. It is better than to inject yourself to increase your penis. It is not good because years to come it will have a side effect. So avoid artificial drug when you want to increase your penis. Avoid injection and avoid pumping if you want to live a healthy life till your old age. Avoid this. And if you want to increase your joystick, adopt these 3 habits. Number 1 habit you should adopt to increase your penis is regular exercise. Yes, regular exercise is very important and very powerful. 1, it will increase your testosterone, and that testosterone is the hormone capable of making you to increase your muscle, increase your voice, increase some things in your body system, and this will also help your joystick to increase in length. So regular exercise will help you to achieve this. But if you want to get the best value, make sure that as you do this regular exercise, you eat good and healthy food. Because if you embark on regular exercise and you don't eat a balanced diet, it will affect your life, it will affect your health, and it will also affect your performance as a man. So regular exercise or daily exercise is good for one that want to increase his manhood. Number 2 is exposing yourself to early morning sunlight. Yes, this early morning sunlight will also help you to increase your testosterone, because early morning sunlight will help you to get vitamin D naturally, and vitamin D is a vitamin that improves testosterone, and testosterone improves muscles and anything men need to perform well as a man. So make sure that you expose yourself to early morning sunlight. Sometimes expose yourself, but not regular, to gain vitamin D if you want to increase your joystick. Number 3 and the last is good food, fruits and vegetables. Yes, consume good food, fruits and vegetables. This will also improve blood flow and blood circulation. And you know that for a man to have a good erection, it is through blood flow and blood circulation. And food, fruits and vegetables can improve blood flow and blood circulation in your body system. And this will help you to correct erectile dysfunction and also help you to increase your penis. So these are the best natural ways to enlarge your penis as a man. Adopt them. By the grace of God, you will see yourself achieving a greater success. Avoid pumping, avoid artificial drug, avoid anything artificial to avoid living a bad life in the future, to avoid Parkinson's syndrome, staggering during your old age, taking drug, pumping. All these have a side effect, so avoid them. to live a healthy man and to perform well as a man. So this is what I want to share with you in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value. Please join this channel by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell so that anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, you will get notification to watch my video. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck. I wish you good performance as a man. Bye.